However you want. I was just kind of playing around with it. Has a bunch of different features in the app. You just connect it to your Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. And it comes with a charger, a C charger, and yeah, I mean, I highly recommend this to anyone. It's lightweight, super easy to set up, and I mean, you get a value for your money. You don't have to be purchasing those labels for the holidays. You could just make your own and customize them, and you know, have the kids color them, or you know, you could get different shapes and sizes and colors. So I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, I highly recommend to anyone.
Quick review of this printer, PM260. I just printed out these labels here. Does good with fine text. I can't do printing with the app and the phone at the same time, so I just wanted to show you these labels, but it prints really quickly. If you press this button 5 times fast, it'll do a self-test. So I'm going to do that just so you can see how it prints. There we go. So overall, this works really great. The app is pretty handy and it works good. I like this printer.
So this is a pretty good label maker. I really love it a lot. I did a couple of test ones. This one didn't. And once you learn how to figure out how to use this, it's not that hard. The app is really good to use. I highly recommend this for small business owners or for work related reasons. For security purposes, I can't reveal my address, but I'm pretty much made 2 labels with my address on there, and this is a really good app, and it doesn't require AA batteries. Thank you.
Here's an Amazon sample that I received. Here is the product. What you do is do this, turns on, and that's how it works. Here's how it comes in the packaging.
So it arrived in this box. This is exactly what it looks like. You push and hold to turn it on. Like I said, you do have to download the app, but I already used it, and this is what I did with ours. I did a sugar, a flour label, and I'm working on these ones also. Just haven't got the time, but this is what they can look like. As you can see, there's no like crazy smudging or anything. They are thermal, they're not ink, so that's another great thing that you don't have to worry about also.